Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locating the exact page to remove so you don't delete content accidentally. First, turn on hidden characters with the home ribbon paragraph to expose breaks and empty paragraphs. This shows why the page exists. Once done, jump to the page fast. Press Ctrl+G, type \page, and press Enter to focus. Then select everything on that page by click and drag or Shift+click from start to end. Make sure to include section or page breaks when visible, because those are often the real cause. Now you remove the elements that create the extra page. If you see paragraph marks, select them and press Delete or Backspace. Repeated marks may require multiple deletes. For a page produced by a section break, delete the break or change the next section to continuous in layout right arrow breaks. This preserves formatting while removing the blank page. Switch to draft view to see flow and orphaned objects more clearly. Make sure to check headers and footers, since content there can force a new page. Finish by confirming the page is gone and the document layout is intact. Use Print Preview or Print Layout to verify pagination. Press Ctrl+F9, then F9 to refresh fields if page numbers behave oddly. If a blank page persists, inspect paragraph spacing and try reducing empty paragraphs to 1 pt or setting font to 1 for hidden markers, then delete them. This retains layout but removes the gap. If nothing fixes it, copy the document body, not the last blank page, into a new file. This is a reliable, clean fix.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.